Hello everybody, this is Backwoods Fox. I'm changing a wheel bearing on 2003 Chevrolet S10. I've got most of it apart. I just started a video here because a lot of times these wheel bearings, they want to stick it back into this hub and stuff. So I didn't know how much trouble I was going to have with it. And I usually when I take them off, I usually just take the brake bracket off and just set caliper and all off to the side. That was also 18 millimeter. This was the bolts going back into the wheel bearing is 18 millimeter. The axle nut that goes on the outside of it here. Then this one does have a seal on it. Sometimes when you taking one of these off, it helps a lot if you have a three-legged puller, because sometimes these things can be a bear to get off. That's the reason why I didn't start the video until after I got it apart. But sometimes, even if you don't have three-legged puller, sometimes you can get small bit chisels and start working in around it. But be careful with your dust plate there. Another thing is, this one here, it's got a notch on it. Some of them don't have notches, and the ones that don't have notch, usually I'll mark it F for front side. That way, because if you turn this around backwards, it makes a terrible racket. You'll think the front of your vehicle is coming apart. But that's how you get a wheel bearing off. And this right here, I'm going to cut some zip ties and get these out. That's your ABS sensor wire that goes into it. I've got the new wheel bearing and stuff, and I'll stop this video. I hope this helps you out, and if there's anything I can help you with, something on your mind or anything like that, just comment down below. Let me know, and I'll do my best. If there's something that you want to see done, or something that you need help with, hey, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get to you. I try to answer all the comments and stuff. Of course, I don't get a whole lot of comments. And please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. And I'll have another part of this video on the reinstall. But that's how you get a wheel bearing. There's the old wheel bearing. Pretty rough shape. How you know these is bad? Most of the time you can hear it in a curve real bad. It'll change pitch. It'll get like a whine to it or a roar. Sometimes they click. I've actually had one click on me. But that's the old one. There's your CV axle. And when I get ready to reinstall, I'll make another video.